Sauder Woodworking is actually a parent company that has several different companies underneath it. The main company, Sauder Woodworking, makes RTA, ready-to-assemble furniture. Sauder Manufacturing Division does church furniture and institutional seating. Then we have a company that imports furniture called Progressive, and also caskets, Sauder Funeral Products. So those are all part of Sauder Woodworking. Over the years, we've been an innovative company, and that's been a lot of our reasons for our success. As we grew and got quite large, we had gone through some years where we were less innovative, hadn't come up with as many new things, and so we wanted to get some help jump-starting that, but doing it in a way that bigger companies do it. And how do you do it with more people involved? And so through looking around, we found Magnet and really were impressed with their methods that they brought to us. And so we brought them in to kind of guide us and help us through the process, teach us new ways to come up with innovations and to screen innovations and come up with new ideas.
With Sauder, we introduced them to the Eureka Winning Ways ideation methodology, where we brought together a group of their employees and took them through a process where helped them come up with ideas to grow their business. The final idea that they came out with is a concept for wood ceilings, of which eventually became the WoodTrac concept that you see today.
WoodTrac is moldings and panels. They cover up the existing ceiling. So it's meant if you have an existing white suspended ceiling, you put the clip on the rail, and then you snap the molding on with a patented clip, and then you just remove the white panel and drop in a wood panel. And you're done.
WoodTrac fits a unique place in the market because it's a retrofit. Rather than sell you a completely new wood ceiling, it just converts your existing drop ceiling into a wood look ceiling at a fraction of the price.
After we selected the idea for ceilings, we worked at trying to develop the market ourselves and realized we weren't very experienced at getting into a new market, because cutting a channel into a new market that you're not in and that you don't know anything about is hard to do. And so ideation is one important piece, but there's a lot of work that has to happen after the ideation that people often overlook.
So the ideation session really wasn't the end of the relationship. As Sauder went ahead and tried to develop that idea further into an actual product, we helped them several times in being able to help them figure out the voice of the customer to get the feedback they needed to actually refine into the product that it is today.
Magnet did a study for us to help us understand who sells what in the commercial market, what's the volumes, who are the decision makers, how do you get yourself noticed, who do you have to convince, and what are they looking for in the ceiling. And we learned a lot of things like what needs to go into our literature, what needs to go into all of our sales materials and ad campaigns. Clearly, Magnet is a key part of helping us break into this new market, getting the whole process started, and it's been great to have them involved.
If you need help finding new markets for your products or developing new products to go into those existing markets, give Magnet a call.